2001 Ford Ranger. Super nice little pickup. This was a local trade pickup on a full-size pickup. It was from a older couple who had a couple grandsons that they needed to have the space of a crew cab, and so they traded this in on a Ford F-150 we had, and seemed to have taken really good care of it. They serviced it at Marmy's Ford in Great Bend. Have several service records in the glove box, and just seemed to take real good care of it. Being a 15-year-old truck, you know, it does have its few scratches and blemishes in it, but nothing major, and no dents, no rust, anything like that. So that's what's nice. It appears to have been well taken care of. Sitting on good tires. There's 60-80% tread life, so you've got plenty of life left with that. It's an XLT model, so comes well equipped. It does have the V6 motor in it, 3.0. Very reliable, pretty zippy, and just not much more. Just trying to do a little walk around to give you a little bit of an idea of what exactly these are and what this specific one is if you're interested in. I'll jump on the inside here and give you an idea of what it's like. Getting on in the inside, it's super clean. Like I said, no power locks or anything or power windows, but it does come with cruise control. Let me flip off the air conditioning here. It's very cold actually as well. Cruise control, the buttons are good on it. If you know anything about these Rangers, they're normally just torn apart. Like I said, cold air conditioning, kicks right in and on. Nice aftermarket radio that has a USB and a UX input. Passenger seat is in really great shape. Driver seat is as well. Back cargo area, these are those pilot seats that flip down to where if you need some extra space you can have it. Just a super nice little pickup. Like I said, it's not perfect, but you also have to realize this is almost 15 years old. It does have 132,000 miles on it. Do a quick key cycle here. No lights on the dash or anything. This fires right up and just runs very nice. So we've driven it some. Like I said, there's a folder here with information from Marmy's Ford in Great Bend that they did several service jobs. Nothing too major, just maintenance stuff, but appear to have had it well maintained as well. It's serviced and ready to go. So just sitting here and running real nice. So if this truck is of interest, it's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in person.